leaving an imprint. She of course sees herself as a person, not necessarily as an owl. And Gregory and I basically are the equivalent of mom and dad, or perhaps siblings. So you'll hear her talk to us every once in a while. Come on! It's there.
There you go. God, you are beautiful. Oh.
Hi, buddy. I don't want to scare you. Yeah. What's that?
Oh my God.
Well, she has 270-degree rotation of her neck and head. Just like other birds of prey, it just seems far more dramatic in an owl because she doesn't have a visible neck. You know, it's a giant head sitting on shoulders that basically swivels. Unlike the Harris's hawk that has a kind of a distinction between neck and head.
Yeah, right. Is this an adult, or I mean, are those the feathers they are when they're an adult?
Yep. Yep, she's been full size and with adult plumage since once she can fly. So there's no difference in most owls' plumage between juveniles and adults.
Now they're native to this area?
Yes and no. They are native to the northeast. We're a little bit north of a typical range for these guys. Typically southern Vermont, Massachusetts is kind of the northern range. They might follow the coast. Some people have said they've seen or heard about these guys being, she's watching a dragonfly right now, have seen these guys in, say, Maine, but probably in the coastal areas where it's a little bit more open and, of course, perhaps warmer from the ocean.
Yeah.
I can see them living there. The winters are just a bit too rough for them. Imagine they have to catch mice that are underneath the surface of the snow. So if there's 3 feet of snow on the ground, that's about impossible.
Yeah, we have barred owls in our area, and I've seen them, one of them go in the snow to get something.
She's
Nice.
pretty.
Oh yeah, this bird is just Alba.
I'm going to ask her to go on to this is another perch here. See if she wants to fly from me. Usually, of course, I go to the tall grass. She doesn't necessarily want to be in it, so it kind of forces her to fly. We'll see what happens. Birds have not been cooperating with leaving my glove today.
That's okay. Oh, here she comes.
Glove down, glove down. Let her fly for a little bit here.
Wow. Just like watching her fly.
Is she going to the barn?
Let me step over this way for me.
Uh-oh.
Come on back, oh, you don't let her lose you.
Oh, she's not going to go anywhere.
Mm-mm.